How to loop YouTube videos on laptop or desktop. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First launch any web browser and search for youtube.com. And now press enter on your keyboard. Then you will land on the official interface of YouTube where you need to make sure to log into your account. After that, you need to launch any video which you want to play on loop. So let's say if this is the video. Once you open this video, you simply need to right click on the video. And now on this video, you need to click on loop. And now this video will play on loop. So in this particular way, you can easily loop any YouTube video on laptop or desktop. I hope this guide was helpful and it was pretty much simple to do so. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching and I'll share you in the next video.